If you've been looking for an updated pool home on the water in Southeast Cape Coral, this one is certainly worth a look. Hey there, it's Sunshine Sherry with Team Sunshine here in Cape Coral, Florida, and I just want to show you this wonderful waterfront home. It's on a freshwater canal and it's priced really well. It's a 1983, it's a little over 1,400 square feet, and I can't wait to get you inside. It has been updated, it's got a beautiful pool, it's got a great canal view, so let's get started. I also want to say thank you so much to Amy Kelly, who works for Remax Realty Team, for allowing me to show you this home. It's in a great neighborhood. I'm just gonna pan around real quick here in the neighborhood. As you can see, everybody takes care of their homes here. Southeast Cape Coral is a great location. It's not far from Cape Coral High School if you have kids that are in school or grandkids that are in school. But let's get inside and check out this home. As you can see, it's got a screened-in front porch, which is always my favorite in the winter time, because you can open up your front door, open up your slider doors, and let those breezes blow in. It's got a cute little covered porch here. Look at that retro door. We've got hurricane shutters on this front door, and you can't really tell from here, but all of these windows have been replaced and are impact windows. It also has a newer roof. You can see that it has gutters here, and all of the water and sewer assessments have been paid. Let's go inside and see this home. Now, it is a 1983 home, and you can tell that pretty much straight away. You can tell the beams on the ceiling. Look at this wall of mirrors, totally retro. Sorry, I'm getting myself in the shot, but it's 1,425 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and this beautiful marble travertine flooring pretty much throughout the home. One of the bedrooms has got a different kind of tile. The laundry room has a different kind of tile, but for the most part, it's all this marble travertine flooring, which really is easy to keep clean. As you can tell, it has lasted a very long time. Right away, you see that view right out to the lanai, which is really the #1 money shot. Beautiful pool, nice under truss lanai. Once we get through the whole house, I'll go out there by the canal. That way you can check out what it's like to live on a freshwater canal here in the Southeast Cape. I'm just gonna give us a little turn around here so that you can see the size of the place. All of those windows have been replaced, and they're now hurricane resistant, impact resistant windows. Nice living space in here. Whether you like the mirrors or not, that certainly is up to you. We've got granite countertops here in this kitchen. It is a compact kitchen, if you will. It's got stainless appliances, nice wood cabinets, and the backsplash is pretty cool also. Tile backsplash. Look at that. And look at this cool pass-through window. Talk about retro, that really, isn't it? So you're fixing the snacks or the meals or the burgers in here, you open up this window and you pass it right out to the people that you're entertaining on the lanai. The countertops are really pretty, nice granite countertops. The yard is really nice also. They've got a privacy fence already installed, so you've got plenty of privacy. And again, the windows are impact windows. There are also hurricane shutters out on this lanai. Once we go out there, you'll be able to see it. That's a cool tiki bamboo kind of ceiling that they have out there, but there's lights, there's a fan, and a great entertaining space. Let's move on into the primary bedroom, this is a split floor plan also, so your primary is over here. Nice tile in here also. 3 different windows, 1 really large window, ceiling fan, and and a really nice sized closet. It's a walk-in closet, got some nice shelving already in place. Bathroom is en suite, of course. It's got this really cool vanity here. Nice mirror. Looks like the tiles have been redone here in the shower. It's got a nice glass door also, but the tiles are really pretty cool. And the shower is really big enough, that's for sure. And it's got linen closet right here in the bathroom. So that's very convenient. Really a good size. Certainly for you folks that are looking for a winter getaway, this would be pretty much perfect. Not really anything you have to do right off the bat. If you wanted to make some changes, you certainly could. The laundry room is right over here, also off the living space. Good size laundry room. It's got a deep sink, washer and dryer, hot water heater, and a side entrance out to the side yard. Got some extra storage cabinets here. This is actually the garage. Got a little step down here. The garage has already got a workbench for you. 2-car garage. Got some extra storage space out here in the garage. Really plenty of space for storage. That's really great. Looks like there's lots of extra tiles too. That's always important because you never know when accidents are going to happen. All right, we're going to go back inside. Not sure if everyone knows what this is, but this is a baby gate that goes to protect babies, animals, older folks, people that may have had a little bit too much to drink from falling into the pool. We're going to go back inside. Just close this door. And we'll go over to the other side of the house, which is where the other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom are. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is the bathroom, which also is a pool bath. And it's got a nice vanity here. We do have a bathtub, and again, it's fairly retro. Nice tile in the shower. This is the linen closet right outside the bathroom. Also very convenient. We've got 2 bedrooms on this side. They're pretty much the same size. This one's got still the travertine marble flooring. Pretty nice size closet. Impact resistant windows. And here's where the only room where the tile is a little bit different, but I like this tile. 2 windows in this bedroom, makes it nice and light and bright. Also a nice big closet in here. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Nice view out here of the lanai space, of the pool, and ultimately of the freshwater canal out there. Awesome. Certainly great for grandkids, guests, office, project room, man cave, lots of things. So we'll go out here onto the under truss lanai. Really a big space out here. These are actually pocket doors, so they will push all the way back, all 3 doors into that pocket space right there. And that means that this whole entire space will be open. So in the winter time, let the breezes blow through. But this is really a great under truss lanai space. Here's that pass-through, and the pass-through window is also a pocket window. Look at that, it pushes right back. Hurricane shutters out here, as you can see. So anything that you have out on your pool deck or down on your dock, you can put right in this space, close those hurricane shutters, and you are all set. Look at this really great pool. Doesn't that look inviting? It is about 95 degrees right now. We're in July of 2026. And I would just love to jump in that pool. I'm not going to, but I would love to. We've got a great quarter-acre lot out here. Got a little patio out here where the pool equipment is. So if you did want to put in a heater, you'd have plenty of room to do that. Got a banana tree out here. That's exciting. And then a little walkway around the sides. Little patios out here. And look at that, folks. If you want to wash your clothes and hang them out on the side, you can still do that. Oh my gosh, my mom used to do that. That's awesome. Nice privacy fenced. Keep the critters in, keep the grandkids in, and just give you some privacy. This yard is super great. This house is not in a flood zone. We're gonna come down here to the cement dock that is already in place. And we're gonna take a look at this canal. How great is this living on the water? You can do all kinds of fishing here. You can boat through these freshwater canals. You do not need a lift because it is freshwater. So unlike the saltwater canals where you really need to have a lift because boy, oh boy, those barnacles will get on your boat in the saltwater canals. Not here in the freshwater canals though. Look at that big open space down there. Beautiful trees. I'm going to take a pan around here. You have light out here. Looks like you have water out here also. Electric out here. You are all set to go. This location on a freshwater canal it's about 121 to 150 foot canal, which is a super wide canal for a freshwater canal. Look at way down there. What great scenery you have. So quiet. It's great for fishing and kayaking and paddleboarding right from your backyard. So convenient access to shopping and dining and major roads so that you can get over to Fort Myers, to the airport. You can get to all kinds of shopping here, that's for sure. Santa Barbara Boulevard is not far away, and you can get anything you could possibly need on Santa Barbara Boulevard. All right, let's go back in the house and give it one more look. But I sure do hate to leave this peaceful waterfront setting, that's for sure. Seawall in place, all good. You can catch bass. I'm not sure all of the fish that you can catch in these freshwater canals, but there are a lot. Awesome backyard. Nice screened in cage. Impact resistant windows. Hurricane shutters on the lanai. Pretty awesome. Room out here to put some lounging chairs if you wanted to get a nice suntan. Certainly under the truss of the house here, you could put table and chairs, couch, chairs for relaxing, a TV out here. Super great. What you really need is lots of under truss space like this, because in the summertime, which it is right now, the temperature difference under here versus out in the pool area is crazy. Nice under truss. The wide canal view, the private pool, the no HOAs, the not in a flood zone, combination of all those things are probably the biggest standouts for this property. This is a really strong option for someone who wants a convenient Cape Coral location with a true backyard oasis. I'm gonna order me a nice fish sandwich right out of this window. I wonder if I'll be successful. We're gonna go back inside where it is air conditioned. Thank you very much. And we'll take one more spin around this living space, 1,425 square feet. It's 1983, but it certainly does have a lot of updates that make it so that you don't have to do much when you get here. You don't have to replace the appliances. Countertops are already granite. Flooring is travertine marble. It's pretty much bring your stuff and let's live the life in paradise. I'm Sunshine Sherry. I'm on Team Sunshine with my handsome husband, Rob, and we work for RE/MAX, and we're in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, North Fort Myers. We even go down to Bonita Springs. Our contact information is right down below. Please go to our website, sunshinesherry.com, register for a free account, start searching properties, get yourself whatever kind of guide you need, buyer's guide, seller's guide, relocation guide, whatever you need, we've got it. Ask us any questions you want. We've been doing this for a while and we've lived here for a while, over 10 years. And if we don't know the answer, we will certainly find it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. I love reading your comments. It makes me better as I'm doing these videos. And I will see you on the next video.